I think they're gonna go nuts. My comment sections on every video have just been increasing the amount of crane comments. Every video I post that isn't building an overhead shop crane, there's just been more and more people adamant that I need to get this project done. I am very much a hands-on kind of guy. I don't like to sub projects out if I can help it, but for one guy, this is a monumental task. What challenges was I running into if we're getting this crane? The lack of a crane was the main one. I think it was the smart move to finally outsource this project and handle it by professionals, and now we got one, versus 3 years from now, I probably still wouldn't have had one. What surprised me most about the process of working with these guys was the flexibility to get exactly what I wanted out of this thing. They were willing to get every inch that I could out of this thing and customize whatever they could to make it fit my needs. When I heard you were aiming for a 10-day turnaround, I was pretty skeptical. I did not think that was going to actually happen. I was stunned. like I said, I was expecting this to take at least 2-3 months, maybe more. And a 10-day turnaround to me is like mind-boggling. There's a ton of work that goes into this, from even just the site measuring to fabrication, obviously, and then the install. That was a crazy tight time frame that I was skeptical of, honestly. The clear and concise communication, the ease of communication was super nice to see. These guys were always on top of their game, returning calls, emails, whatever I needed, they had it on top of it. A crane like this for what I do is going to be a game changer as far as ability to do it safely, to work on bigger items, to do things by myself more efficiently. There's times that I get kind of roadblocked by something I'm working on. I need to wait until a buddy or somebody can come over and give me a hand getting something apart, or running a forklift while I'm trying to dangerously lift something up off of a machine. And now, of course, I can do it by myself very easily, and I'm really looking forward to that. And that's going to be a huge increase in production, I hope. What stands out the most about the whole experience? I guess I would say that it's just the ease of the whole process. These guys have been 100% great right out of the gate. They've been very easy to get along with. And like I said, the customization and willingness to do whatever I wanted to fit my needs was unmatched from anybody else I talked to. It seemed like a lot of the people I spoke to in the past were very much a cookie cutter, open box solution, versus I got whatever I wanted here, basically. It was the ability, we'll make it happen. Would I recommend PWI to anybody else? 100%. I'm very happy with the crane and the people that came here and put it together and installed it. I think it's been great from start to finish. So I would definitely recommend them to anybody looking for an overhead crane.